year function does is it extracts the year from a date or date time data type. So you can see here we've selected year from this date, so 2018 0605, and if we were to run this query, you can see it just returns the year 2018. And similarly, if we were to add a time to make this a date time and run this query again, you can see it's still able to return just the year 2018. Okay, so now let's look at applying the year function to our tables in our cinema booking system. So here I've selected start time from screenings again, and you can see it returns a date time data type, so 2017 October 01 1 PM, and so on and so on. And if we copy and paste this query and then add our year function to our start time column, so year and then start time in brackets, and run the query again, you can see for every row of data it's just returned the year 2017, and that's because we only have data for October 2017, so every row returns the year 2017. But you can imagine if we had years and years of data, then this is going to return just the year, so 2016 if we had data from 2016, 2015, 2014, etc, etc. And we can use this function to select all the data from certain years. So if we write our query, select star from screenings, and then we have a where clause where the start time column has the year function applied to it, so year and then in brackets start time, and then if we set that equal to 2017, then it's going to return all the rows of data which have a date from the 1st of January 2017 to the 31st of December 2017. So if we run this, you can see it returns all our rows of data because all our data is from October 2017. So this is how we can return data from certain years in our database. So that's it for this video on the year function. Just remember that the year function